Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is data mismatch check. By the way, what is data mismatch check and why do we really need to do that? So data mismatch check verifies that all the expected data is loaded into the target, that is data warehouse, from any of the sources. But why do we really need to do that? We have emphasized about that in multiple ways in our previous videos. As I already indicated in some of our previous videos, the data is moving from source to staging area, from staging area to data warehouse, from data warehouse to the data mart. And depending upon the project, the data will undergo some transformation. It is not guaranteed that the data, whichever has to move from source to data warehouse or the target, are loaded appropriately. We need to validate that. We need to check that. That is where data mismatch check comes into the picture. Let us take this example to understand the data mismatch check in a bit more detail. So here we have a source table called employee1. Within that, we have these columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, and we have some 5 records. Assuming that as a part of the transformation, we want to concatenate the first name with the last name. Then the transformation happens. Loading also happens. Then we get this particular target table. Can you take few seconds and observe, is everything fine in this particular target table? Do you think all the records are loaded properly in the target table as per the transformation? You got it right. Now, it has not loaded properly. If you see here, concatenation has to happen. Vijay has to be concatenated with the R. By only one Vijay is here, right? And also here, if you see, Ram Kumar has to come. AR is gone here, right? Like that, you have some problems, you have some inconsistencies, you have some incompleteness, right? Do you think after loading this wrong data, if you perform any analysis, will that lead to a proper decisions? Not really. So we have to validate, we have to check whether if there is any data mismatch is there depending upon the transformations in a particular project. Within data mismatch, we have different types. Different sources would have given these validations in a different types. But one of the type what we can suggest is this way. Within data type mismatch, we have 3 validations. One is data quality validation. The second one is data transformation validation. The third one is data validation. Let us look at all of them one by one in the subsequent videos. Thank you.